Hey, you are most welcome here. So let's test and install OpenAI. That's basically we shall be using ChatGPT. So just say pip in your terminal, pip install OpenAI. So let's see the dependencies. I just want to be sure, because I know it could be a heavy module, and maybe also relies on other artificial intelligence. Oh, I already actually have most of those satisfied. Wow. It relies on PyTZ and OSI system conference specified OpenAI scripts. Let's just see if this is actually true. Let me just install OpenAI again. If you get the same error, probably it has not installed. So probably it has installed. So you're not getting the error. Maybe let me just see pip show OpenAI. Is it there? Yup, it did install. So sometimes that error is not conclusive, so it relies on OpenPyXL. This is basically for an Excel thing. Pandas, stubs, requests, TQDM, typing extensions. Wow. So basically there's NumPy, it's I'm seeing here, and pandas, maybe this Excel thing. Yeah, that's it basically. Those are its dependencies. So to try it out, maybe let's see, let me go to Py and maybe say import OpenAI as AI. Then I can say I want to say maybe the methods in there. I can just say AI. See, there's a lot of things in there. So in the next video we shall see how we can actually get started with using this OpenAI API. Basically this is ChatGPT. Thank you so much. Stay blessed.